Lenovo S5 Pro, K5 Pro and K5 smartphones officially announced in China. The Lenovo S5 Pro sports a metal unibody design. The smartphone sports a slim profile of 7.7mm and it weighs 170 grams. One of the major selling points of the S5 Pro is that it is equipped with 4 cameras. 2 of them are available inside the notch at the front and the remaining are available on the backside of the phone. The handset is fitted with a 6.26-inch IPS LCD display that produces an aspect ratio of 18.7:9 and Full HD Plus resolution. The Lenovo S5 is equipped with Snapdragon 625 and the newly announced Pro variant has Snapdragon 636 on board. The SoC is coupled with 6GB of RAM and it comes in storage choices like 64GB and 128GB. The 3500 mAh battery of the phone carries support for 18 watts fast charging. The notch of the Lenovo S5 Pro houses 20MP plus 8MP with f2.2 dual apertures. The inclusion of IR camera in the notch enables accurate face unlock feature that works precisely even in dark. The front cameras can capture enhanced selfie shots and stylized portrait shots. The back panel of the Lenovo S5 Pro features a dual camera module that includes an f1.8 aperture 12MP primary sensor that is coupled with f2.6 aperture 20MP secondary sensor. The dual rear cameras support 4K video shooting at 30fps, 2x optical zoom, background blur, HDR and camera scan mode. The smartphone is also equipped with bottom-firing stereo speakers. The ZUI 5.0 flavored Android 8.1 Oreo OS comes preloaded on the Lenovo S5 Pro. For disturbance-free gaming experience, the Chinese manufacturer has included a gaming mode on the phone. The other features available on the Lenovo S5 Pro include dual SIM support and micro SD card support, hybrid dual SIM slot, 4G Volt, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C, 3.5mm audio jack and rear moon.